Hello everybody and welcome to Tuesday. Today we're doing our daily cleaning and dusting. So the kids surprised me and made their own beds. So I wasn't gonna fix them, I just left them. And I have my other little helper with me, trying to keep her busy and not break everything while we're cleaning. She has Xavier's little Lego spaceship there. But like usual, I'm just starting by making all the beds. And once I get that out of the way, I feel a little more productive and like I can just kind of get everything else done. So like I said before, today we are focusing on dusting. Happens to be one of my least favorite chores to do in the house, but if I can do it all in one day and just get it all done, then I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the week. So as you maybe have noticed before, or if you're new here, maybe you haven't seen the rest of the house, there's a lot of wood in this house. So I'm not going to show all of the dusting because that would get a little redundant. But what I did was I just have the Pledge multi-surface spray on this Norwex dusting mitt. And I'm just going through and dusting things in every room. And if you watched the video yesterday, I have my bathroom deep clean and I dusted all of the cabinets in there already, so I'm not going to do it again. But I did just go through and did my daily cleaning in the bathroom while I was there. I just wiped down the counters and then wiped down the bathroom with some Clorox wipes. I also get out a clean towel every day. I don't know if I mentioned that yesterday, but when I'm doing like my little daily cleanup, I put the dirty towel in the dirty clothes and then get out a clean one. So I just take that same dusting rag and go over the banister and the stairs and dust everything, and then try and reach as many of the high places as I can and just get it as dusted as well as I can. You probably already noticed I'm not just like going through the whole house just dusting everything. I'm just doing it as I'm doing my daily cleanup and just going through each room and picking stuff up off the floor and like picking up the clutter and then dusting everything. And this is just, I guess, a way to break it up just because I don't want to just walk through the house dusting everything. The kids' Valentine's Day stuff is still sitting at the table, which is fine because we don't eat meals at the table. We always sit at the counter, and so it's fine sitting there, and it's safe, and it's not going to get ruined or anything like that until they're ready to take it to school. So I'm totally okay with it sitting there for like a few days until their parties. This drawer is a great example of like taking care of clutter. So this day I really didn't have that much stuff to clean up in the house because Amelia was napping. She didn't get out a ton of toys or anything like that. So I just emptied out our drawer in the kitchen that has like all the pencils and everything in it. And it just kind of became like a dumping ground for junk. So I emptied it out, I went through everything, I figured out what pens worked, figured out what was just junk that didn't go in there anymore, and it took me probably 10 minutes to organize everything and just got it done and taken care of. Throughout this whole video, I've noticed that our cat is like circling my feet the whole time. I don't know what her deal was when I was filming this, but she like did not want to leave my side. She did keep like attacking my feet and biting my toes, and she was just not very happy, but I don't know what her deal was. She was mad at me for some reason. Alright, you guys, that is it. That is my Tuesday cleaning routine, dusting the house and doing my daily cleaning, making the beds, picking up any clutter, making sure the floors and the counters are all clean, and of course cleaning up the kitchen. So I did have laundry going while I was doing all this other cleaning, and I'll get that stuff folded probably tonight after the kids go to bed. So that is it. I hope you like this video, and I hope you come back tomorrow for our next cleaning video. Thanks for watching. Bye.